Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Now I've been asked to have a look at this boiler, and guess what? It's a Biasi boiler. Now in Birmingham there's loads of them, so we've got no choice in it. More films I make on them, the more jobs I'm getting on them. So I gotta do what I gotta do. But anyway, on this boiler, the problem with guys, they've got no heating or hot water, and the boiler's coming up with a code. Now in this video I'll be sharing that with you, how I diagnosed it and repaired it. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So basically what's happening, right, the boiler goes through ignition process 3 times and it cuts out. It does fire up, but the flame doesn't stay on. And it gives you an error code 01. So we're going to diagnose that and repair it. Now, because the boiler sparks and fires up, it's just not holding flame. So the first thing I'm going to look at is the flame detection probe. We're going to look at that and see if it's damaged or anything. Now visually it doesn't look that bad. It's got a bit of a dust on it and dirt on it. So anyway, not that I got one in my car or anything. So I'm gonna have to come back for it. But what I'm gonna do is it's just clean it up and see if that works. So I'm just gonna use this towel and just hopefully remove some dust off it. It might do the job. Now obviously I can't do it with one hand. I'm just gonna put the camera down and use both hands. So now guys, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham, South Birmingham, Baxi, Biasi, wocesterbosch, vaillant and many more, we repair all your favorite boilers in an emergency. Most repairs are done on the same day. We also do commercial catering now, so if you got a chip shop or catering, so do any kind of a catering business and you want commercial cookers or you need a gas safety certificate, give us a call, we can sort that out for you. But for domestic, we do gas safety certificates and boiler servicing. Now if your boiler is broken down guys, don't worry, give us a call, we can sort it out for you. Now we're also expanding into air source heat pumps installations, which is funded by the government. You get up to £7,500 help with that. So if you're interested in getting new installation of air source heat pumps, give us a call. Right, we've got the detection electrode in. Now it's the moment of truth. We're going to test it out and see if that done the job. Right guys, we got the boiler to fire up, the flame is staying on, so we've sorted it out. Or have we really? Keep watching. Guys, sorted. It's all working fine now. Just have to clean the electrode on it. No more error 01. It's all working fine for these guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Guess what? I had to come back the next day. Unfortunately, I didn't have one in my car, so I had to go to a local boiler spares merchant and pick one up. And I've got one now. And by the way, guys, if you ever need one of these electrodes, make sure you get a gasket with them. Because when you take the old one out, sometimes the gasket is damaged and then you're screwed basically. It ain't gonna work. You need a gasket. Right guys, we did diagnose it correctly yesterday because it worked for a day. But next day they called me back and said it stopped working. Hence why I had to get the new ones. Guys, it's all working fine now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy.